The phonograph is born, a new way to wash clothes is patented, and the personal computer makes its debut. It all happened this week in tech history. This week in 1876, Thomas Edison patented the mimeograph machine. He described it as a method of preparing autographic stencils for printing. Many of us remember mimeograph copies from school, those nice-smelling papers with the purple ink on them. A year later, in 1877, Edison finished figuring out his first phonograph. He handed the model of his invention to John Crucy with instructions on how to build it. Crucy bet the inventor $2 and said there was no way the machine would ever work. Less than 30 hours later, they had a machine that worked on the first try. In 1910 this week, Alva Fisher of Chicago, Illinois, received a patent for an invention that moms, grandmas, and single guys certainly came to appreciate: the electric washing machine. Previous to Fisher's invention, washing machines were cranked by hand or you'd use a washboard. And this week in 1981, IBM introduced the personal computer with their 5150 model. The Ibm Pc ran on the Intel 8088 microprocessor at 4.77 megahertz. It had 16 kilobytes of memory, no built-in clock or video capability. It was available, however, with an optional color monitor. Prices started at around $1,500. The IBM PC was a smashing success, and IBM quickly became the #1 microcomputer company, dropping Apple to #2. That's our look back at This Week in Tech History, brought to you by IFA in Berlin.
IFA, the Global Innovations Show. Meet the official partner of the future in Berlin.
Hey everyone, Cameron Graveline here. Remember, call in, win stuff. Thank you.
Visit us online at intotomorrow.com, where you can find out how to listen to our weekly Into Tomorrow radio program, subscribe to our free podcasts, and participate to win in our big, cool Into Tomorrow Hot Summer giveaway. Catch you next time on This Week in Tech History.